Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be trying a new skincare product. Yeah, I guess it's a skincare product, right? I think so. And I am really excited about this. I have had this for quite a while now, and I have not had a chance to try it because I really wanted to try it on camera. This video is not sponsored or anything. I literally got this with my own money. And that is the new Jeffree Star Skin, the Make Me Melt Makeup Removing Balm. Okay, so Jeffree Star Skin just released not too long ago. I didn't announce that I was gonna get anything because originally I wasn't going to get anything. I'm just not I'm not a huge skincare person. I literally wash my face with Cetaphil in the shower and use baby lotion as moisturizer. I am the most basic of basic when it comes to skincare. But I did see a few things on a site that kind of caught my eye, and this being one of them. So this is the Jeffree Star Skin, like I said. Packaging is really cool, really fancy. It has this frosted glass, and on top here it has the little Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo. And this, I didn't know this, but this is actually a spatula, and it's magnetic to the top of this, and this is actually what you use to scoop the product out, okay? That's really freaking cool. I had no idea this was magnetized. I was playing around with it, and I was like, oh damn, that sticks. That's actually really cool. 2.6 ounces of product in here, and this is basically supposed to melt your makeup off and make it a lot easier to remove. Because if you guys are paying attention to the skincare world, a lot of people are saying not to use makeup wipes anymore because that can be damaging to your skin and doesn't fully remove all the makeup. So makeup removing balms like this have become really popular lately, and I have never ever tried one. My most recent knowledge, I don't believe I have ever tried one before. And when Jeffree Star released one, I picked one up because I thought it would be super fun to try, and I wanted to film it to get my real raw reactions. I have not even opened this yet. I haven't smelled it. I have no idea what it looks like, what it feels like, what it smells like. So this is going to be a full first impressions here, and I'm really freaking excited. So I have had my makeup on all day. Which is why it looks a little bit crusty dusty. My eyeshadow turned out really cute today. I actually used the mini jawbreaker palette, so not the big one, but the little mini one, and my eye makeup actually turned out really cute today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put my hair up, fancy bun, like that. And then I'm also just gonna take a bobby pin and just pin my bangs back, because even though I have bangs, every time I do my makeup, I still have to put makeup everywhere, even though I have bangs. I'm really weird. It's it's just a habit. It's a routine. So now everything is up and out of my face. I'm really excited to try this. I'm really excited to see what it smells like. So basically how this stuff works is you take this little really handy dandy, really cool spatula right here, and you basically use this to scoop the product out, and then you put it in your hands, rub your hands together, rub it all over your face, and it's basically supposed to dissolve your makeup apparently, and then you just rinse it off with warm water. So I am very anxious and curious to see how this is going to work. I have a lot of hopes for it. I believe that Jeffree puts a lot of thought into his products, so I'm really anxious to see how this is going to work. So if you guys would like to see me melt my makeup off, then let's go ahead and jump into it. I can't get over the packaging. I just think it's super cute. I love frosted glass. Whatever brand comes out with frosted glass, it always just looks so fancy to me. And I love the pink color. I love the spatula. The only thing I don't like about the spatula is this part does hang down quite a bit, so I feel like it would make it a little difficult to store. But for the most part, I like it, and it's not too heavy. It is a pretty good size. Now, I don't know how much of this balm we're going to need to remove a full face. I guess we will just have to find out and trial and error this, but I'm really excited. I have a lot of high hopes for this. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. Hopefully it doesn't burn my eyes. Hopefully it doesn't cause some sort of bizarre allergic reaction, because your girl would be pissed. I think I'm gonna zoom you guys in really close, uncomfortably incredibly close, just so you can kind of see like what my skin looks like, what it looks like while the balm is being rubbed into my face. Because I feel like a lot of people, when they try stuff like this, they always keep the camera like really far back, and the lighting is always really crazy, and you can't really see how it's working. I want you guys to see how this is working. I want to see how it's working, so we're gonna move you guys in. Ooh. Taquito burp. Come on in, baby. Come on in, kids. Don't be shy. There we go. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That is close up. Close up. But yeah, see how cute my eyeshadow is? Look at that purple sparkly moment. Everything else looks like shit, but like the eyeshadow, like, I don't know. I'm living for it, girl. I'm going to just take off this little spatula, set that to the side, and we're gonna crack this open for the very first time. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm assuming that's the balm right there. There was no safety seal. There was no safety seal on this at all. And also, I don't know if you can see on camera, but the balm is actually quite pink. It's showing up really white on camera, but it's actually a very, very pink color. I wish it would pick it up properly, but it's like Pepto-Bismol pink in here. I'm not really getting a smell. Like, I don't smell anything. And I think this is supposed to have like some sort of like raspberry extract. Yeah, all right, let's just dive in. Let's get her done. So I'm gonna take the spatula. Oh, okay. So it's really creamy. Okay, so I'm just gonna start out with this much to begin with. So it came out really easily. It seems like it has a really nice consistency, and I'm just gonna wipe that on my hand like this, and then we're gonna warm it up in my hands until it gets nice and oily, like that. Okay, then we're just gonna start rubbing. Oh wow, okay. All right, so right off the bat, I can tell I'm gonna need a little bit more. It doesn't say anything about like leaving it on to sit. It just says rub it in and then rinse with warm water. So I'm just gonna apply this, and you can definitely see the makeup moving around on my skin. And I had my makeup like set today, okay? Like I had 3 different kinds of concealer on. I had 2 layers of foundation. I had a primer. I had setting spray. Like, we had the works going on my face. Now I'm gonna take a little bit more. Okay, like that. And again, I'm gonna put it in my hands, and we're gonna start warming it up, and we're just gonna go all in, okay? Took a little bit more, and we're just gonna start. All over the eyes. Make sure we get those eyelashes. Again, I don't know if this is gonna burn my eyes or not, but I guess we will find out. Yeah, it says to rub it in your hands until you get like an oily consistency, and then that's when you start rubbing it on your face. Now, it feels really nice. It feels very oily on the skin, but I'm not having any sort of burning or itching or anything. I wonder what I look like right now. Do I look weird right now? I'm not having any burning in my eyes. Like, it doesn't burn. All right, I'm gonna open my eyes, okay? I'm gonna see what I look like. Oh. Okay. So it looks like it's done okay at removing my mascara. I do see some staining from the eyeshadow, but I'm wondering if that'll rinse off. Now, obviously, this isn't to replace, like, face washing. This is just to remove the bulk of the makeup. And then, obviously, you'll want to wash your face really well and all that stuff. But this is basically just to melt off that first layer, I'm assuming. Very oily. Okay, it's not, like, burning my eyes, but I can tell I got some in my eyes. Okay. So yeah, there is definitely some staining from the eyeshadow, so I don't think it'll remove the staining completely. That's just what happens when you use a pressed pigment palette, but that's okay. Oh, it removed my liquid lipstick really nicely. Okay, so I think I got it all rubbed in. So now I'm going to go rinse my face in the bathroom with some warm water, and we are gonna come back and we're gonna see what my skin looks like, and we're gonna see how much of this makeup has come off. Oh, I did get some in my eyes. Ow, okay. Oh yeah, they're turning a little bit red. All right, let's go to the bathroom. Let's go. Okay, so my face is still wet. I'm just gonna blot dry. Oh, I got some of it in my hair. That's okay. So it did get in my eyes a little bit, but I can't say if it was like all this that burned my eyes. It could have been like makeup that I was wearing that got into my eyes, but my eyes don't burn anymore. It literally rinsed right off. Obviously, you don't want to put anything foreign in your eyes, because that's just, you know, duh. You don't want to do that, but yeah, the burning did not last very long. Okay, so my skin feels makeup free. Like, it doesn't feel like there is any makeup on my face. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that there isn't makeup on my face. My eyes are a little bit stained from the pink eyeshadow. Not too worried about that. That'll come off in like a day or so. It feels clean. It feels hydrated. It doesn't, like, it looks like my skin. Like, it doesn't look red, irritated. It's not itchy. This is what my skin looks like when I don't have makeup on. So, I mean, it looks like my skin. It looks like, wow, okay, so it looks like it took off all my mascara. Like, I'm not having any remnants of mascara anywhere, which is good. Wow, okay, so I'm definitely gonna have to say that it worked. Now, I'm gonna do a little test. I'm gonna do the micellar water test, and we're just gonna put some micellar water on a cotton round. We're gonna rub my face, and we're gonna see if we get any residual makeup. Now, I just rinsed this off with warm water. I didn't wash my face, so I'm just curious to see how much of my makeup this actually melted off. So I'm gonna go grab that, and we'll do some rub tests and see what we get. That was like super quick and easy, and way less painful than a makeup wipe. I will say that. Makeup wipes, they hurt me. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like using makeup wipes. On there, okay. And then we're just gonna give a little bit of a rub and see what we pick up. Oh, wow. Okay. So here's what the cotton round looks like afterwards. I don't know how well you guys can see that. there is still some remnants of makeup, but it is not as dirty as I thought it would be. Like, I thought it would be a lot more like foundation colored. So, okay, so this stuff actually worked pretty well. I'm actually really surprised. First impressions, I'm gonna give it like, this is pretty good. I really like this stuff. I ain't mad at this. I think this is a pretty cool product, honestly. Oh, I need to take a thumbnail. So on his website, the Make Me Melt Makeup Removing Balm retails for $32, 2.6 ounces of product. And to remove the full face of makeup that I just had on, I used about 2 scoops, and this is how much product that it used. So not a whole lot, but, you know, a pretty decent amount. I'm pretty sure. Now, I don't wear makeup on a super regular basis, so this will probably last me a while. This does have a shelf life of 12 months, so a whole year. So this should last me, you know, a good majority of time for sure. And the smell, I never ended up smelling anything. I didn't notice any sort of extract. It kind of smelled like an oil, but obviously because there's oil in there, I didn't really get like an overwhelming perfumey scent, which is nice. Really liked that. I loved how it worked. I love how it felt. It rinsed off really, really easily as well. Like, I didn't have any issues washing it off. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments, did you get this stuff? Have you tried this stuff? What did you think of it? Did it work for you? Did it not work for you? Do you want to try this stuff after seeing my little review of it? Please let me know down in the comments. I would love to know your thoughts. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. I'm really glad that I filmed this. I'm really glad that I got my first impressions. really glad that I tried this. The only complaint that I have about this stuff is I wish it came with a safety seal, because when I ordered this, it came in a little pink box and it came out like this, and when I opened up the cap, there was no sort of safety seal on the inside. Maybe like it didn't need one. I don't know. I wish it just had more security. Like, I wish it had a little safety seal that you peeled back. That would just make me feel better. That's literally my only complaint if I'm being picky. Everything else I have no complaints about. I really like this stuff, and I will definitely be using it in the future. This was a lot faster than using a makeup wipe or a makeup eraser. But that is all that I have for this video. I'm a fan. Round of applause. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. And I'm also really impressed with how not dirty that makeup pad is. I thought there was going to be way more makeup on there. So I am going to go get in the shower. I'm going to properly wash my face and moisturize and, you know, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it and you found it entertaining and you were surprised like myself, please go down and give it a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. But as for the rest of you, I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I definitely looked a lot cuter in the beginning, not gonna lie. Okay, love you guys. Bye. Mwah.